Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a curved shape using the subtract feature in Figma. This technique is incredibly useful for designing custom shapes and unique interface elements that stand out in your designs. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Figma application on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to create this curved shape using subtract. This could be any design file you're currently working on or a new project you've started specifically for practicing this technique. Now look at the bottom of your screen and click on the shape icon. After clicking it, drag it onto your frame to create your first shape. This will serve as the base for your curved design, so make sure it's positioned where you want it on your canvas. Next, head over to the right side panel and adjust the color of your shape by clicking on the fill option. This is where you can customize the appearance to match your design needs. Choose a color that works well with your overall project aesthetic. Now it's time to create the second shape that will help form the curve. Click the shape icon again, but this time make it smaller than your first shape. The size of this second shape will determine how pronounced your curve will be, so consider the effect you're going for. Once you've created the smaller shape, adjust its corner radius on the right side panel. You can set this to whatever value you prefer, depending on how smooth and rounded you want the final curve to appear. Play around with the slider until you achieve the look you're after. Next, position this smaller shape exactly where you want the curve to appear on your main shape. The placement is crucial here because this is the area that will be subtracted to create that curved effect. Take your time to get the positioning just right. Now, select both shapes together. You can do this by clicking and dragging to create a selection box around them, or by holding down the Shift key while clicking each shape individually. Make sure both shapes are highlighted before moving to the next step. On the top toolbar, locate the union icon and click the arrow down beside it. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Subtract. This is where the magic happens. The subtract function will remove the overlapping area of the second shape from the first, creating that beautiful curved effect you're looking for. If you want to adjust the curve even further after applying the subtract function, simply go to the left side panel and click on the subtract group. Within this group, click on Rectangle 2 and you can adjust the corner radius again to fine-tune your curve exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom curved shape using the subtract feature in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.